Hello everyone, Coach Johnny here at GetFitWithJohnny.com, and today I'm going to be doing Plyoside, which is from P90X2. So hopefully I can get some of this recorded so you guys can see me exercise, do my thing with you guys can do your thing with me, and I will catch you at the end of this. Thanks. Talk to you.
Sick. How are you? Over. Come on. Good. Drop that back knee. Here we go. Party started. Let's see him. Bend that back knee more, Roberto. There you go. Engage the glute. Nice. Real nice. Over the head. That line. Back and forth. So good. Having fun. Plyoside.
Yeah, right.
Roberto, having fun. Oh, yeah. Get in. Nice. My friend. Tippity Scoppity. Casey Morrow.
Hi everyone, Coach Johnny with GetFitWithJohnny.com, and I just finished Plyoside from P90X2. I'm tired, can you tell? It was day 9 of my P90X, P90X2 hybrid, and had a good time. Yeah, as much a good time as one can have while they're sweating. But yeah, I really like these workouts. I mean, all of the Beachbody workouts are pretty good. Some are absolutely excellent. There's a couple of new ones. Les Mills Pump is out there. It involves some barbells, and then there's Tai Chi. It's more of a relaxation type of, Tai Chi type of moves and stuff like that. And then there's Body Beast coming out, and I'm sure it could be called Beast Body, but it's Body Beast, Beast Body, which is a lot of supplements, protein supplements, etc., for the bodybuilders, the big guys, and you guys know who you are. So that'll be coming out pretty soon. So look for hopefully I can get a sample video or something out here soon. And I'll try to put out the Les Mills Pump as well as the Tai Chi so you guys can see what's out there. But anyway, thank you for checking in. Subscribe please. www.getfitwithjohnny.com. Facebook is Get Fit with Johnny. Go ahead and like that if you please would. And I'll talk to you all. I think tomorrow's a rest day again. I'm not sure if I'm going to do tomorrow or if I'll do yoga or something, but I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.